at the range today to talk about the newest addition to the Gun Freaks family. And let me show you what we got. That's right, it's the Masterpiece Arms. The Defender. Feels great. Got a nice weight to it. I guess it's a 30 round mag. Well, let's load it up and fire some 9mm into some steel targets. Okay, so we're gonna take the first shots here with this Masterpiece Arms Defender. I've wanted one of these for a while. It definitely has a good weight to it. Kind of like that. What I don't like though is you can't put a Picatinny on there. I feel like I'm gonna want a red dot. It feels interesting to shoot. You do have a pick underneath where you could put a lighter, a laser, I guess. I like it a lot. If it had a binary trigger, it would really be sweet. That's all she wrote. What do you think of the Defender, the Masterpiece Arms Defender, chambered 9mm?